Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can apply a sepia effect to your photos and images you added on Canva in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, to navigate to your design or project here in Canva, I will go with this one, depicting the Mount Fuji in Japan. So what you want to do is left click into the image and then choose Edit here at the top. Next, here on the left hand side, navigate to the filter section and click into see all. Then guys, what you want to do is scroll down and you will see, for example, a couple of almost or close to sepia effects, but the sepia effect itself will be located pretty much at the bottom here under duotone. Select it, or you can go also with classic here, and then you will see the effect here. You can also adjust the intensity here on the left hand side. For example, if I leave it at 50%, it will be half sepia. You can move it to 100% to make it look like this. And then also customize the color for highlights and shadows. By left clicking into it, I will leave it just like this. So guys, that's how you create a sepia effect for photos and images on Canva. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.